So for this problem, so how much principal amount would you put to have this 50,000 pesos after 12 years with 1.7% simple interest rate? So since this problem is a simple interest, so this is the formula we're going to use to solve for this problem. So the interest equals the principal times the rate times the time. So first, we need to list all the given. So since we're looking for the principal amount, so therefore P is the unknown. And for these 12 years, this one is for the time. So this is equal to 12. And this 1.7%, this is for the rate. So 1.7%, then we need to convert this one to decimal. So divide by 100, and this is equal to 0.017. Then for this, 50,000 pesos. So this is the future value or the targeted amount, and the future value is equal to 50,000 pesos. Since this future value is equal to the principal plus the interest, so from this problem, we need to solve for the interest. So to solve for the interest, transpose this principal to the other side. So this becomes 50,000 pesos minus the principal amount equals the interest. So from this, we can substitute now all the values from this formula. So for this interest, so this is equal to 50,000 pesos minus the principal amount in equals the principal amount, this one is the unknown, times the rate. So 0.017 times the time, so that's 12. Then to simplify, so this is 50,000 pesos minus the principal, then equals the principal times this 0.017 times 12 to 0.017 times 12. So that is 0.204. So 0.204. Then we need to transpose this negative p to the other side. So this becomes 50,000 pesos then equals. So this is 0.204p then plus. So this negative p becomes positive p. Then we have 50,000 pesos equals. So we need to combine. So this is 1. So therefore, this becomes 1.204 times the principal. Then to find the principal, so we need to divide both sides by 1.204. So therefore, the principal amount equals, so we have 50,000 pesos divided by 1.204. So the principal amount is 41,528.24. So this is 41,528.24 pesos.